Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated electric log splitters. Mauling your accent saw has been the traditional way of cutting up logs for woodwork, but if you've ever used this method for an extended period, then you definitely know how tiring it is by the time you finish your pile. Thankfully, splitters came in to change the game. At first, you have gas-powered devices that can cut up bigger and heavier logs, but their usage of fuel can be a turnoff for some since it pollutes workshops pretty quickly. Because of this, hydraulic electrical units step into the league to take the wood-splitting game to a whole new level. In this video, we have gathered 7 of the highest-rated electric log splitters that have all the features you need, from high cutting force to beginner-friendly design. So sit back, take a break from your renovation project, and without further ado, let's get started. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the electric log splitters that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of your research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first electric log splitter in our list is the YARDMAX electric log splitter, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Simple and effective operation is at the heart of the YARDMAX electric log splitter, making short work of your hardwood stack. With a size of 40.8 inches in height, 17.7 inches in width, 39 inches in height, and a weight of 98 pounds, it's definitely not intimidating for anyone who's just starting to get into the woodwork. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 5-ton force, helping you get through your job fast. This product has a 5-ton ram force to slice off logs, 20.5 inches in length and 10 inches in diameter, with a cycle time of 16 seconds. Convenient features, including designs like an adjustable stand, a log tray for convenient cleanup, and a stroke limiter to modify power. This product is perfect for workshop enthusiasts on the go. Easy assembly. For benchtop design, this model doesn't require any assembly, while you'll only need to pull up the pillars on the bottom if you're going for the stand option. Portable design. If you move around a lot, this item can keep up with you since it has a 7-inch rear wheel that you can lodge easily. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, some users have noticed that the paint wears off over time, so you might want to store it in cool, dry places when not in use, or coat it with a paint protector. The second electric log splitter in our list is the WEN Electric Log Splitter, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. With dimension of 20.5 inches in length and 10 inches in diameter and side-mounted support wings, the WEN Electric Log Splitter helps prevent your log from rolling away during operation. This unit is 38.5 inches in length, 28.25 inches in width, and 39.25 inches in height, with a weight of 98 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: versatile profile. To make sure that your back won't hurt bending over while splitting up big logs, this product has a 34-inch stand mount so you can lift it up from the ground. Easy to use. Ditching clogged carburetors, gas, and other stuff that takes a long time to kickstart, this unit is easy to use and maintain. 15-amp motor. With a powerful 15-amp motor that generates 13,000 pounds of log cracking power, this splitter only takes a 20-second cycle time, so it can handle 120 logs an hour. Accurate output. This product has a 5-inch wedge that measures in wood at 45 degrees for a sharp and accurate splitting output, even when you're using it against the toughest of woods. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, the design of this product requires double-handed operation. The third electric log splitter in our list is the Sunjo Electric Log Splitter, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Whether you're doing big projects or casual woodwork, the Sunjo Electric Log Splitter has got all the features for you. Sized at 38.97 inches in length, 9.8 inches in width, and 18.89 inches in height, and weighing 97 pounds, it's easy to handle and work with for novice workshop enthusiasts. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: mobile design. With 6-inch rear wheels, you can quickly move this unit in different work areas without having to carry its full weight. 5 tons driving force. To easily split the standard-sized firewood log with a measure of 10 inches by 20.5 inches, this product uses 5 tons of driving force. Several safety features. This product offers a variety of features for beginners, including an overloaded circuit reset button and a dual-handed safety switch system. Durable construction. Ensuring a long-lasting finish, this product is made of tough stainless steel that'll avoid rusting and corrosion. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is this product may not be strong enough for hard logs like alder, beech, mahogany, and maple. The fourth electric log splitter in our list is the Earthquake Electric Log Splitter, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Prioritizing safety and a clean setup, the Earthquake Electric Log Splitter has a steel-constructed log tray that prevents debris from falling to the ground, so you won't have to grab or bend over to retrieve them. In terms of size, it is 49 inches in length, 37 inches in width, and 39 inches in height, and a weight of 124 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 5-ton rated hydraulic system. Known for being powerful and versatile, the 5 tons of power of this device easily cuts up logs up to 10-inch diameter and 20-inch length. Constant splitting force. Featuring precision pump gears and copper motor windings, this item will help you confidently go through your whole wood pile with sustained power. Convenient operation. This electric version eliminates the need for gas and emissions, so there's no need to pull the engine to get it started. Portable design. With sturdy transport wheels and stand races, this splitter can be moved from side to side, and it can also be used as a convenient storage solution. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is there are users who have noticed that it's fairly loud, so it's better to use it during the daytime. The fifth electric log splitter in our list is the Powerhouse Electric Hydraulic Log Splitter, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Helping you split more than 100 logs in less than an hour, the Powerhouse Electric Hydraulic Log Splitter is a powerful model that'll help you minimize the effort you need to put in. It packs a profile that is 38.19 inches in length, 11.81 inches in width, and 19.29 inches in height with a weight of 103.4 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: hydraulic system. Eliminating the expense and hassle of small gas engines, this electric splitter has a hydraulic system, so you just need to plug it in and the internal fluid will get pressurized automatically. Hand safety control. Perfect for beginners, this unit has a built-in safety design that keeps your hands away from the log and splitter while you're operating the machine. Durable construction. You can depend on this model for many years since it has a welded steel construction and an enclosed design for a tough and durable log splitter. 7 tons of power. With a splitting power of 7 tons, this product can slice up to 19 inches off of freshly cut and dried up logs in 6 seconds. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is some users notice that it has a slower working rate, so it might not be your best option if you're on a time crunch. The 6th electric log splitter in our list is the Southland Outdoor Splitter, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. If you have a pile of demanding logs to work with, now might be the time to check out the Southland Outdoor Splitter. It also has a range of features for a safer and more efficient output than swinging your traditional maul and axe. As for the size, it has 37.72 inches in length, 11.81 inches in width, and 18.5 inches in height, and it weighs 105.8 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 6-ton splitting capacity. The 6-ton splitting capacity of this item is already enough power for cutting up branches around the length of 8 to 10 inches. 18-second cycle time. To help you complete your projects quicker, this product goes back to its original position after the 18-second cycle time so you can cut more logs consistently. Integrated stroke limiter. If it scares you to use this splitter on smaller logs, you can familiarize yourself with the integrated smoke limiter feature so you don't end up using the whole splitting capacity. 1.75 HP motor. This product has a heavy-duty induction motor with an output of 1.75 horsepower, which avoids torque stress, pressure, and fracture. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is this model doesn't have any log catcher, so it's better to work with it in a garage or somewhere where you don't mind making a mess in. The 7th electric log splitter in our list is the Boss Industrial 7-ton electric log splitter, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Specifically constructed for farms and homes, the Boss Industrial 7-ton electric log splitter offers a variety of features for small-scale tasks and big renovation projects. This product is designed with a special steel wedge, sturdy tube lock holders, and a patented hydraulic system. In terms of its dimensions, it is 40 inches in length, 13.5 inches in width, 20.5 inches in height, and has a weight of 117 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: automatic ram return, helping you get the job done in half the time. This splitter offers automatic ram return, so you won't have to constantly adjust it when you're using it. 2 HP motor. With 2 horsepower and a compact design, this model gives you an increased splitting diameter, making it perfect for heavy-duty functions for a long time. 7-ton splitting force. Ideal for green woods, the 7-ton splitting capacity delivers power appropriate for logs up to 19 inches long, weighing up to 50 pounds. Full beam construction. Unique among its competitors in the market, this unit has a full beam construction, so the design is not limited to horizontal or vertical shapes and sections. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, it has a pretty low placement, so we recommend using it first on smaller items as practice before slicing big logs. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated electric log splitters, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next electric log splitter roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.